Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to our YouTube channel Snath Online Classes. Today once again I am Vidyasagar is present in front of class 6 to discuss subject science with all of you. To discuss subject maths with all of you. So please like the channel, share and subscribe it. In this video I am going to explain about the solutions given for exercise 2.5. In this video I have explained how the HCF of given numbers can be calculated. So please look at the channel and concentrate on this video, try to understand it as well. Now I am going to start my discussions. Here in the first questions it is asked that you have to find the HCF by listing the factors. So I have solved the question number 18, 45 and 72. The HCF of 18, 45 and 72 by listing the factor methods is calculated in this way. First of all we have to write the factors of 18. Here we have to look what is the number that can divide 18. So 1, 2, 3, 6, 9 and 18 can be divides 18, and 45 can be divided by 1, 3, 5, 9, 15 and 45 you have to check it, and 72 is divided by 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 12, 18, 24, 36 and 72. So these are the factors of the given number. Now we have to choose the common factors. So common factors only here there are two common factors 1 and 3. So I have written here. Now I have to justify which factor is the greatest among these two common factors. So I found here 3 is the greatest factor. That's why I decided 3 is the highest common factor of 18, 45 and 72. So this is our answer. It is asked. Understood? सबसे फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल इसका हम क्या करेंगे, फैक्टर्स लिखेंगे. फैक्टर्स लिखने के बाद इसका कॉमन फैक्टर्स हम निकालेंगे. कॉमन फैक्टर्स जो सबसे बड़ा होगा वही हमारा HCF होगा. नाउ मूव टू आस्क द सेकेंड नंबर क्वेश्चंस. Here in the second number question we have to find HCF also, but by using factorization method. So I have solved here question number 2F. Here we have to find the HCF for 112, 140 and 160. First of all we factorize all these number. By factorization we get the factor, its prime factor is 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 7, and for 140 is 2 into 2 into 5 into 7, 168 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 7. So these are the prime factor. Now we have to find the common prime factors. So we have found here there are 3 common factors, 2 into 2 into 7. Now multiply the common factors. 2 into 2 into 7. By multiplying common factors we get 28. So our HCF will be 28. It is our answer. Understood? फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल इसका हम कॉमन फैक्टर्स, इसका प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन करेंगे. प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन में देखेंगे कि कौन कौन सा फैक्टर कॉमन है, और जो कॉमन फैक्टर है उसको मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे. मल्टीप्लाई करने के बाद जो नंबर हमें प्राप्त होगा वही हमारा HCF होगा. So these are the second method to find HCF. Now move towards the question number 3. Here we have to find HCF by long division methods. We have solved here the 3F, question number 3F. Here we have to find the HCF of 75, 100 and 150 by long division methods. So first of all we have to arrange the numbers either ascending order or descending order. So first of all we have to divide the two greatest numbers and find its HCF. We have to find a HCF of the two greatest number. So I have to find here the HCF of 100 and 140. We divide 140 by 100, we get 40 as a remainder, and when now 40 is divisor and 100 will be dividend, and divide, while dividing we get 20 as a remainder, and 20 now become what, divisor, and 40 will be dividend. Now we divide 40 by 20, we get 0 0 as remainder is 0, then the HCF of 100 and 140 is 20. Now by 20 we have to divide 75. On dividing we get 15 as remainder. Now 15 will be divisor and 20 will be dividend. So we divide 20 by 15, we get 5 as remainder. Now 5 will be divisor and 15 will be dividend. And on dividing 15 by 5 we get 0 0 as remainder. Now we have decided that 5 is the HCF because there is no any quantity we have to divide, that's why our answer will be 5. This method is called as long division method. फिर से समझिए इसको। सबसे पहले हम इसमें तीनों को अरेंज करेंगे असेंडिंग या डिसेंडिंग ऑर्डर में, और सबसे बड़े 2 नंबर को हम डिवाइड करके उसका HCF निकालेंगे। HCF प्राप्त करने के बाद फिर जो बचा हुआ सबसे छोटा नंबर होगा उसको हम डिवाइड करके फिर इसका HCF निकालेंगे, और जो लास्ट में HCF आएगा वही हमारा आंसर होगा। अंडरस्टूड? नाउ लेट अस मूव टू द क्वेश्चन नंबर 4. In question number 4 it is asked that the length of a floor is 4 meter 44 centimeter and the breadth is 3 meter 30 centimeter. What is the maximum length of a square tiles can completely cover the floor? Length of the square tiles, maximum length of the square tiles is asked here. The maximum length of the square tiles will be that can cover the floor completely is found by finding the HCF of these two quantities. By finding HCF we can use here any methods from the above taught. We use here factorization method. We found that the HCF is 2, so 2 is our answers. You have to solve. First find the factorizations of all these. Here we have to convert meter into centimeter, so we get 4 meter 44 centimeter is equal to 444 centimeter, and 3 meter 30 centimeter is equal to 330 centimeter. Now we have to find the HCF of 440 and 330, and we find the HCF 2. Try to solve these questions. If you feel any difficulties, please write in the comment box. According to you, I will solve your problems. Now move towards the question number 5. Here we have to subtract 135 from the given number 121, 33 and 55, as I have subtracted here, and we have to find the HCF of 30, 50 and 120. The HCF you know how to find it, but your helping point of view I have retained the answer. So the HCF of 120, 30 and 50 will be 10. You have to solve and match your answer with this answer. If you feel any difficulties, then write in the comment box. I will solve what is the difficulties according to which I have to discuss. So please try to write in your comment in the comment box. In the same way we have to solve question number 6. Here we have to subtract 5 from 41 and 68, and by finding the HCF we get the answer of 36 and 63. So this is the question number 6. Here it is asked that what is the number? A number when divisible by divides 41 and 68 leaves the remainder 5. Here 9 is the number when it divides 41, then leaves the remainder 5, and when it divides 68 it also leaves the remainder 5. Try to solve. If you feel any difficulties, then I must solve it. Now move towards the question number 7, 8, 9 and 12. These are the both these all are the same types of question, and you have to find here HCF only. Here nothing is to be done. Now move towards the question number 10. It is just same as the question number 5. Understood? Due to lack of time, I am not explaining it properly. If you feel any difficulties, I will explain it tomorrow again, but you have to write your comment in comment box. Now move towards question number 11. It is very important question, you have to keep it in mind. Here we have to subtract 45 and we have to find HCF. Try to solve this. If you feel any difficulties, then I will solve this question again, and these are the solutions. So in this video I am going to stop my lectures. In the next video I will meet again. So till that I want to say goodbye. Thank you. See you.